New York, cultural melting pot and urban trepidation. Berlin, home of the government and city of creative agitation. What do they and many other world metropolises have in common? They grow. With them grow the challenges and chances of designing the urban habitats.
The BMW Guggenheim Lab is really a mixture between an urban think tank, a community center, and a gathering space.
So the idea is that you take a range of people from wildly different disciplines, you throw them together and see if they can come up with new ideas, experiments, and solutions.
On an empty lot between the Lower East Side and the East Village in New York, the BMW Guggenheim Lab makes its first home in a public, mobile structure. Here, the lab team, appointed by an international committee, dedicates itself to answering questions pertaining to urban cohabitation. They are Omar Freya, New Yorker environmental activist; Charles Montgomery, Canadian journalist; Olatunji Bosun Obayomi, Nigerian microbiologist and inventor; and the architect duo Elma van Boxel and Christian Corman from Rotterdam. Residents of New York are invited to actively take part in the research laboratory, open to the general public.
Our collaboration with BMW is for a total period of 6 years, and for the very first 3 cities that we plan on traveling the lab to, we are really going to get the same architectural structure, which will open in our first city. That same structure will then travel to Europe and will end its journey in Asia. At the end of this project, we will have visited a total of 9 cities all over the world.
The great thing about the BMW Guggenheim Lab is that everything is free to the visitors, and we're open between August 3rd and October 16th in New York.
I would love the outcome of the BMW Guggenheim Lab initiative to be a platform for positive interaction.
All of us have a responsibility to create the kind of cities that we want to live in.
Information about the lab or how to take part can be found in select social networks or at bmwguggenheimlab.org.